Hi everyone! Welcome back to Courageous Chat! Yes. So if you've been following my channel for a while, thank you so much for being here. And as you know, I've shared different parts of my life through my vlogs, through my experiences and my journey. But today is a little different because today marks the beginning of a new chapter here on Courageous Chat. Yay! For the longest time, I've had this desire in my heart to create a space where people can share their stories, their faith journeys, their testimonies, and the different ways God has moved in their lives. But before I start inviting guests, siguro I would be share mine first. So, for this very first podcast style episode, I want to take you back to where the name Courageous Chat came from. Why this name means so much to me and how God used that one word through different seasons of my life. So if you're ready, let's begin. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit Courageous Chat yung name ng channel ko. Because it started as my real name, Charlene. I changed it to Courageous Chat. Honestly, hindi ko lang siya basta naisip. Hindi rin dahil maganda siya pakinggan. The truth is, this name came from a very special moment of my life na until now, dala-dala ko pa rin sa puso ko. A few years ago, during one of our church retreats back in the Philippines, entitled Encounter with God, there's one activity na may pinagawa sa amin yung leader namin. Pinabunot kami ng papel, and sa bawat papel may nakasulat doon na iba't ibang words. Nang turn ko na, binuksan ko yung papel na nabunot ko, and guess what? The word written on it was courageous. At that moment, hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling. I was so amazed. Naisip ko, Lord, bakit courageous? Hindi ko pa maintindihan noon kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun sa buhay ko. But deep inside, I know that is not an accident kung bakit yun yung nabunot ko. As time went by, dumaan ako sa iba't ibang seasons ng buhay ko. May moments ng fear, may moments ng rejections, may moments ng disappointments, may moments ng uncertainties, and even seasons where I questioned myself. One of the biggest examples of how God taught me to be courageous is when I made the decision to leave the Philippines and became an OFW here in Dubai. To be honest, it wasn't an easy decision because leaving my family, leaving my comfort zone, and everything that was familiar to me required a lot of faith and courage. Akala ko noon kapag may plano ang Lord, magiging smooth ang lahat agad-agad. But that's not what happened. There were delays, there were unanswered questions. Because in fact, before Dubai even happened, I had a completely different dream for myself. My dream was to become a cabin crew or a flight attendant. I applied to different airlines in the Philippines. Nag-attend ako ng interviews, nag-antay ng callbacks, and I kept hoping that one day, that dream would finally come true. But instead, I experienced rejection after rejection after rejection. At that time, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. I kept asking God, Lord, bakit hindi ito yung binubuksan mong door para sa akin? Lord, ito yung dream ko. Lord, bakit parang lahat ng ina-applyan ko hindi natutuloy? There were moments where I wondered, Lord, tama ba talaga tong path na pinapapuntahan mo para sa akin? Looking back now, those delays were not God's rejection. It was God's redirection for my life. At habang naghihintay ako sa mga bagay na gusto kong mangyari sa timeline ko, si Lord ay mas may magandang plano pala sa buhay ko at mas magandang timing. Yung mga closed doors na akala ko failures noon, sila pala yung magtutulak sa akin papunta kung saan at ano ang plano ni Lord sa buhay ko. And eventually, that place is Dubai. Dito ko nakita kung paano kumilos ang Lord in ways I could never imagine. Sometimes when God says wait, it's not because He's saying no. Sometimes it's preparing something better. Sometimes He's protecting us. And sometimes He's redirecting us to the place where He wants us to be. Now that I'm here in Dubai, mas lalo ko nakikita yung faithfulness ng Lord sa buhay ko. Hindi naging madali yung journey ko dito sa Dubai and until now. Pero nakita ko kung paano ako ginabayan ni Lord sa bawat step. And every time I think that word courageous, hindi ko kailangan maging matapang sa sarili kong lakas. Because I know that God is with me. That's why one of my favorite life verses is found in Joshua 1:9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. That verse became so real to me the moment I left Philippines and started a new life here in Dubai. Because no matter where God leads us, His presence goes with us. And for me, that's what being courageous is all about. Trusting God wherever He calls you to go. And that's when I learned that courage doesn't mean you're never afraid. Ang courage pala is choosing to move forward even when you are afraid because you know that God is with you. And looking back now, I can honestly say na may purpose si Lord kung bakit niya binigay sa akin tong word na courageous. It became a reminder for every season of my life. A reminder to trust Him, a reminder to keep going, a reminder that His plans are always better, are always greater than my fears. And that's exactly how Courageous Cha was born. This channel is not just about me. It's about sharing stories of faith, testimonies, encouragement, and real-life experiences who have seen God's goodness and faithfulness in their lives. Sa mga susunod na episode, I will invite guests who will share their testimonies, their faith journeys, their struggles, their breakthroughs, or how God changed their lives. My prayer is that every story shared here will inspire someone, will encourage someone, and will remind someone that God is still moving today. And if you are watching right now and you are currently in a difficult season of your life, I want to encourage you this. Maybe God is calling you to be courageous. Maybe hindi mo pa nakikita ang next step. Maybe hindi mo pa naiintindihan ang season na kinalalagyan mo. But God does, and He is faithful. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting this very first episode on Courageous Cha. See you on the next episode, and always remember, be courageous because God is with you. God bless you and be a blessing to others. Bye!